I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're about to look up someone you removed on Snapchat. First, confirm they were removed and not blocked, because blocked profiles behave differently. Once done, gather identifiers, exact display name, username, or phone number, because search relies on precise text. Make sure your app is updated and you're signed in. Outdated apps can hide features. Now open the search bar and type the username or number slowly. Snapchat often suggests close matches, so watch the suggestions as you type. If a direct search fails, expand to alternate paths. Check the Added Me list and quick add for mutual connections because Snapchat surfaces people you share contacts with. Once done, open Recents and Messages. If you ever chatted, their conversation or saved snaps can reopen their profile. Make sure to look at Snap Map and Mutual Friends lists, as locations or shared circles reveal accounts. If you have contacts synced, search your phone contacts inside Snapchat to link a number to their profile. When you find the profile, tap it and select Add Friend. Sending a quick snap or message can prompt them to accept. If their profile is private or hidden, ask for their exact username or send an invite through SMS or another app to ensure accuracy. Make sure you aren't blocked. Blocked accounts won't appear. Also check your privacy settings and clear app cache if a profile seems missing. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall. That often refreshes search and suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.